what me feel for sad. That why you feel for sad.
Man, we need to sit over there.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. I was supposed to start this video before. I wanted to do it when I was leaving work. We're gonna have a very hectic weekend. And I want to take you along on the journey today. It's Friday. It's 5:19 to be exact. And we're here at Tiffany's dress rehearsal for her recital. Here she is. Yes, yes. Say hi for the vlog. So look how she's pretty. She's pretty, Nancy. So pretty. Tomorrow is actually the recital at 11 and we're going to take you on that journey as well. So I'm here with Troy and Giovanna. She's going to do 4 dances. She's going to do ballet, tap, hip-hop, and acrobatic. I hope you guys can hear me. Yes, baby? Yeah.
Come on in and find your seats that is near friends in the same group.
Mama, see,
We
need to go over there.
I need to go over there. There's a need to go over this stuff.
The bathrooms are at that end of the hallway, but there's also some only those here. Come on up here.
Yeah, there's no look.
There's another door on that end of the main room, and they'll come through here. But the dressing rooms are right over here.
So we just went and saw the changing rooms where they're gonna hang out during the shows. So I'm not gonna give you guys much today because obviously tomorrow is gonna be the grand finale. So I just wanted to give you guys heads up. Today I wanted to walk you through so much stuff. It's been a hectic week. And it's gonna be another hectic weekend, but we're gonna carry through. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment in the comment section, and share. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So tired. But anyways, I'll get back to you guys. They're so cute. Aww. Show me guys. Hey, pretty girl. Sorry to interrupt the vlog, but I had to stop the vlog for a second to show you that I received my Firmoo prescription glasses. I have to open this up. I had to share this because I've been waiting for this for so freaking long. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, so this is the packaging. You define your look. I'm excited to see what's inside. So the first thing it comes with is Firmoo gift cards for your best friend. So 50%. It actually has 2. I'm gonna get you hooked up. Trust me, I'm gonna get you hooked up. Don't worry about it. It has another paper in here. Oh, this is like instruction for cleaning hair, adapting to the new glasses, maintenance. And this is a woo! This is the one I chose, guys. This is style number S11071X. First off, guys, look at this color combo. It's this gorgeous swirl of translucent pink, electric blue, and a touch of gold at the bridge. This is just beautiful. All my favorite colors in one. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. These are playful yet bold and all wearable at the same time. Like, it's nothing to say, oh, I can't go to work because it's too crazy. It's given boss babe. Did you see the handles? And that gold trim right here, beautiful. With the old in with the new. I don't know about you guys, but I've been wearing prescription glasses for the past 8 years, and it's always hard to find something that goes with my face that still looks fashionable, cute. You know, for me, not every glasses fits my face, so I have to make sure that I find something like with this type of frame, and Firmoo just did this for me. What do you guys think? Like, this also goes well with my outfit. I love this. This is so cute. It feels super lightweight, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. I love how the frame fit my face. Like, this is actually a frame that I would pick up. Like, it's just so much, but not too much all at the same time. Can you believe that they're only $23.99? You heard me. $23.99 with prescription lenses. $23.99 with prescription lenses. That's just crazy to me. And looking so fashionable at the same time. How can you beat this? Firmoo, you did this. You did this. If you want to try them out, guys, if you want to give them a test out to see your fashion, your style, use my code. It will be in the description box below, and it will also be on the screen. It's OEQP50. That's OEQP50 for 50% off frame. 50%. No, if I already told you that the price is $23.99 and you're gonna get 50% off, girl, you better run, do not walk. That's a whole look for half the price, which is already low. Which is, you cannot walk into your eye doctor, your ophthalmologist, and get this for $23.99. Are you crazy? They have so many different styles and fashion to choose from. Remember, the links below in my description box. Click that and treat yourself. Period. I think I've said enough, and I already boasted enough, guys. So I'm gonna return you back to your regular programming.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Tell me why I cannot find my camera battery. Like, I have 3 of them and woke up this morning to use this camera. This battery dead. Found another one that was in my card for some odd reason with the charger. Literally is about to die, and I can't find the 3rd one. Anyways, the next morning is the morning of Recital, and I did not tell you guys, but this weekend my husband and I, well, Try and I, we're also going to Florida. So as we finish the Recital, we're going straight to Florida. In like maybe 2 days, we're back here on Monday night, early Tuesday morning for teacher Tristan's graduation. So we're just all over the place. Literally went to bed this morning 3:30. My husband, I was resting a little bit, and he doing what he's doing. He helped me a little bit with packing because I hate packing. It flusters me. And then he fell asleep. I ended up doing what I need to do. Drop asleep like a couple minutes to 4, and he woke up this morning, make breakfast. So it's like a tag team. So now he's taking a shower. The kids, all the kids are ready because they're gonna be staying over with their grandparents. It's a whole thing. I'm so freaking tired. I'm so tired. And the fact that I can't find my camera battery, like, why? I mean, look everywhere. I dig up all of my bag them. I can't think about every little crevice and corners I can think about, and just can't find it. And I guarantee that this freaking battery is somewhere staring at me and laughing. That's the crazy part about it. But anyhow, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, I'd share. Like, I'm so tired. It's just very chaotic right now. I'm gonna make up my bed and get certain things sorted out because we need to, the recital starts at 11 o'clock, but it's all the way in Enfield, like over almost 30 minutes drive from home. So we need to make sure that we get ready and leave here on time because we have to be there 45 minutes early. So we have to be there by 10:15. Right now it's 7:25. So I'm gonna get ready because I know it's gonna take 101 years to get ready. So let's go to the talking. Let's go.
Yes. Bye-bye.
This is your stuff right here.
I know.
Okay? You're not letting anybody over. Watch, be responsible. You understand me?
Yes, Mama.
Sorry. Alright, guys, we're here. Tabana is in the back. She ran me out. So she's about to perform maybe she's the second act. She not this first. She changed herself. She changed herself.
Blindsided by the beat, clapping your hands, stomping your feet. You ain't got the music, makes you.
Meet you. Because you can't grow in there, I'm not going to get out of the body. Alright guys, I'm on the outside. Savannah just performed. The outfit that I gave her, I didn't realize that it changed the whole performance. Based on the schedule yesterday, should have had ballet first, then tap, and then hip hop. But then they switched it first and gave her the hip hop first. So somebody helped her, they didn't call me. So I had to run around here right now to change her back to ballet. We just got a bouquet because we forgot to get a bouquet first for her. And of all, I know she has complaints that she's hungry. She has 2 more performances and then it's long between each other. So I'm gonna get her something to eat. Alright guys, have to rush. I'm gonna rush to go get you recorded, okay? Just go relax. What happened? What's wrong? I gotta go sit so I can catch you. What happened? Your cookies is in the side where the makeup side, okay? That's perfect. Alright guys, it's time for them already. I can't believe. Let's go back.
Close your eyes and just believe. You have traveled from the smile on a stone. The magic is here. It's here for you.
Guys. You're welcome. You did so well. You're so good, mommy. Alright, ready to go? Yeah. Yeah? How you think you did? Tell the vlog how you think you did.
I did good.
You did. So beautiful. A little princess.
So happy. I did it.
I cannot. So guys, we are here at the airport. We're very early. Like our boarding time is 5:45 and it's literally 1:44 right now. We have 3 hours just waiting. So Troy went to get food and I'm just hanging out. Keep in mind I have 19 minutes of memory. Battery's still going strong. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. But first of all, did you only need to put a comment and a like for Tavania's recital because she killed it, especially the last one, and she was so surprised when I gave her the roses. My baby was amazing. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, comment on the comment section and share. I'm just gonna go chill and wait for the food. I'm just sending goodbye Dunkin' Donut right now. Let's have a few for some croissants, some hash brown and some dragon fruit refresher. So we're just waiting and then him I think gonna get McDonald's. Yeah. Yes. This is been put all of a sudden. What are you doing? It's not a picture. Take a picture.
Six and a half hours later.
Guys, we finally land and I'm tired. Finally land guys and we're on our way to our destination, which is like an hour away. We never know this, but I'm so tired. We sat at the airport for like 3 hours. The whole travel from the plane trip was can't trust me. Oh my god. It was 3 hours and now our next hour drive. Like tired. But I'll let you guys know what happened when we get there. Oh my guys. Oh my god, to a talk. Guys, we're finally here. I am so exhausted. Been up from let's try this again. Been up from after 9. Went to bed 3:30 this morning. Been up from after 6. Sat at the airport for 3 hours waiting for the flight because it never made no sense going home. Flight was 3 hours. 1 hour drive come here. It is literally 15 minutes after 10. We just reached already if you go. Like that's crazy. But we're there. We're late but we reach. Okay. I'm gonna get some tea and I'm gonna start getting ready. I should know I can't be at anything. But we're gonna get some ready. We're gonna get ready. Alright guys, so I am back. I literally feel like I'm in Survivor because tell me why. I have no mirror, can't find in the bathroom, I have to go up and down. I got ready, put my makeup on in my husband's, in Troy's freaking iPad. I used my makeup in iPad, using an iPad for a mirror and a lampshade, basically. Like, I feel like I'm in Survivor. So tell me why. I brought these hooker heels and it's a house party and everybody have on flats. And the only flat that I have is a white one that does not go well with my outfit. So, I want to be the first one. At first I was contemplating, do I do this or do I leave it alone? But I feel like I'm going to do it. And then after everything starts and everybody starts getting comfortable, then I will take it off. What do you guys think? Should I do glasses or no glasses? Let's see. I think just give me a look. I'm gonna do the glasses. Alright. So this is how I'm looking. Got ready in I think 20 minutes. This is what I have on. This is a simple jumpsuit. last minute too, because all the stuff that I bought from Shein I had to return because it was not making any sense, and this was Amazon in 2 days. Like, some why I was thinking about this before. Like, what? It's an all blue party. So that's the theme. So we're gonna join the rest of the people. Boy, if me drop tonight, my nine gets up back. But say, if
You working it right now?
yes, dog.
Oh God! Oh!
Nobody saw that. No, it's the rug. It's the rug.
Yeah.
It's the rug.
Yeah.
Let me on the rug. Listen,
Yeah.
Sturdy.
if I drop, I not get up back. That man said, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You see me holding on. It's for any reason. Okay. Say hi to the vlog, everybody.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Grace, pick up yourself.
Up top!
Rudy.
Up top!
Alright, we're here. Let's go say hi to the people, guys. I swear if I'm dropping up.
Persania, Messi call you.
Boy, I feel like I'm gonna drop.
Persania, Messi call you.
Macy, you need to give me your YouTube channel. Listen. My mama football. How old is? Krista. Oh my God. No, but not to me say that here. Krista. Look here, man. Don't go up again. What we get from girls so fast, man? Let me feel old. You look so nice. I did not. Yeah, but like you still look different. You look so cute.
Thank you.
I like your hair. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello. Hi.
This is my second son.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna see a long time when you get past me. You and teacher up on the same height.
Are you?
Yeah.
I don't feel so.
Yeah. And grow taller. You know, see Mr. Christoph there.
I didn't tell you that.
No, I see how you walk past me. I'm turn around and go like, oh, me know Florida. So when they say me I walk past
It's
him.
a surprise. That's a surprise.
Oh God. So
That's
Mr.
surprise.
Concern man. Sure.
I'm here say, look here. I like
No man, it's me that brought my foot and me know some almost listening as Christoph me drop take me up here. Hold on. Let the vlog look cute. Shit, my memory card is about to die.
Take your time.
Thank you. I feel so special. I'm in a squirt downstairs. As soon as the party starts, it shall be off.
Good. Moment.
Which mommy?
Yeah, everyone.
Hello, come in to say hi to the vlog. Can't see the lighting is not lighting.
Say where your angle. So,
Oh, you need to follow her on her YouTube channel.
Yes, at Macy and Moments.
It will be right here on the screen as well. So go ahead and subscribe
Yes.
right yourself. Okay. Say hi to my vlog. Just say hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Say what's up on YouTube. Okay?
I'm here
She
doing
is
some work.
here. Are you a cooker?
No love, no blessing to all the one who looking and seeing me on this vlog here.
Tell them what to do to subscribe,
Subscribe,
comment,
comment,
and share.
and share.
All right.
God bless you.
Thank you. Beauty chef? Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Beauty chef? Oh my God, this looks lovely. Guys, this is so pretty. Guys, look who I find. Hi. Let's turn on a third kind of pretty angle.
Hi everybody. Hello. How are you doing?
I have so much mothers down here today. So many mommies.
Wonderful to see you, girl.
Oh, it's nice to see you. I didn't know you were here. Like, we come see Christoph. I never know if you get there. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so tired.
Okay, we can imagine. You'll be able to get some rest.
Hopefully, as soon as it starts, the bed
is there.
shall reach me. Like, it looked so tempting a while ago. But next time I'm here, let's just do it. Yeah.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the next day. We're literally in bed. It's like, what time now? 9:18 to be exact. I have 3 minutes on here, so I'm gonna see if I can talk it out. Because last night, I don't know if you guys realized that the quality, there are two different qualities. So I was using the camera and my phone at the same time because the camera did not have a lot of memory. And what was happening last night, I did not want to lose that. So I did part with my phone and then part here. Everything went well last night. I went to bed like, I go to bed like 3:30. Around 3:30 this morning again. So for us to wake up this early, I don't know why, but I don't feel that exhausted right now. And today's agenda, based on what I understand, we should be going to beach. We're in Orlando. One place, the name, I don't know. But we're in Orlando right now. So we should be finding a beach, I guess, in Orlando. And I don't know what else is gonna happen later on. But the house pack, or me tell you the house pack with people, it's a good look. So we're so excited. So today, again, after the beach, not sure what else we're gonna be doing, but the fact is that we're here for a full day today and half day tomorrow. We're back home, and you guys will see all that because you'll be on the journey. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and don't forget to share. Alright guys, see you later. Alright guys, so I threw on the dress and I put on little shorts underneath it because it just looked too bare. Not combing my hair because to pull it out, it's not gonna make no sense in the middle of a beach afterwards. So this is how I'm going downstairs. But then while I was in the bathroom, after I figured out the bathroom after 10 minutes, I came into some fruits. I'll be back for me. And also here that we got mangoes. Let's spread it tomato. Let me see if I'm gonna eat tomato right now. Oh, Julie. Julie mango. So I like to pour it on in here. Oh, 2 East Indian and 2 Julie. Even though I have the fruits up here, we're gonna go downstairs and see what is given. The one I keep on come underneath my face and say like, this is crazy. Like, what is going on? You know, I don't know my bonnet look. Yeah, this is how it's going now. Let's go.
How much have you got?
5.
1, 2, 3. Waist also. You start getting up. So it says, out, in, stretch, and the line, boom. Right? Come again. So we go.
3, 4, 5.
So, 1, say go. I'm out. 2. Put too broad.
You're going there? When I'm going to take that? Okay.
Bring it up like I am. Shelly, remember Shelly?
1. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. 1, 2.
Yeah.
So we go to what? 5.
5.
And then stretch. In. Underline. And then underline. Okay. Straight.
nature. If you call, I go come deliver. I look for on the low, on the low, on the low.
Alright guys, we're finally here at the beach. It's now, so that's 5:07 now. We just reached a beach. I don't even know where we're at, but we're here at the beach. So we're gonna beach together. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, and share. Guys, it's so freaking chilly. It's so windy, as you can see. It's like so cold. We never come on beach 7 o'clock yet, ever. Like, that's crazy. But we're out here. It's so rough. Well, I already know I'm not gonna this. It's not for me. Like, look at that. The sea is so rough. I'm gonna try to knock up because I'm not gonna go in there. I'll find a nice little spots. Hell no, GSC. We're gonna find a nice little spot and just sit down because the water be watering in a bad way. Like, it's so rough, so windy, so cold. But cold bad.
Sea turtle nest. There's a sea turtle nest in it.
Alright guys, so we are actually at Cocoa Beach, I don't know, it's in Orlando, I don't know which town, but I guess based on the time that we actually come here to watch the wave, because that's all, like, the wind is literally just shaking the camera, shaking the hell out of it. And from long time I normally don't go in the water, so I guess we're gonna continue watching the wave. No, it's already a Cocoa Beach. What?
Okay. Ask Chris.
Tampa. I see you drive. Tampa is this way. So we're still in Orlando. Where is it? Oh, Palm Bay. Guys, we're actually in Palm Bay, not in Orlando. So we came in Orlando and drove to Palm Bay. Okay. Oh. Where?
KeneishaSays do not disturb. Sea turtle nest.
What happened? Do not disturb.
Violator subject to fines and imprisonment.
Oh, I never see that. Okay.
The next day.
This is the police over here. And right in front of Juicy Beef problem there.
Alright guys, we are here in Fort Lauderdale and we're about to get some juicy patties.
Oh yeah, come.
Thank you. So our first time here at Juicy Beef. Single patty combo. Mild spicy vegan. Even the menu is totally different. The menu like more like a golden crust. I don't see no cheese patty. Where I only see mild spicy vegan.
That was crazy.
Where there?
Yeah,
Cheese. We'll try that. No, it's just mild, spicy, vegan, and spicy curry chicken. I see.
Let's stop to the cheese patty. We sell cheese.
Okay. Will you open it and put the cheese in it? Oh no.
Melt it.
Them do it like
Don't worry about them, it's still good.
making
it. Oh, you're making it. I see him thing, brother.
No, I don't ask for I can tell me I tell you.
Oh, you make it?
In Kingston they do it like that. The Montego Bay, it's made in it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do the babes, do the spicy beef. Maybe try spicy beef. Yeah.
Spicy beef.
Me do one fry enough, I'm not sure it is. Nah. What? 3? I see I really want to tell you when I tell me say no cheese patty no do stuff.
Run out of cheese.
Right.
And
But
you substitute the
editing. Or I may say that ice cream, I used to do that. Half a tree we going on the first time. I think this is the second time we did travel come to Jamaica. We go half a tree, add a cheese patty and then I put it, put them. I'm like, weird. Like, oh, we don't sell it like that. I'm like, I'm gonna be able to come from, I saw them sell it. Me take on that pineapple bigger bit. More when I bigger, that makes sense.
You take on what? You take on what?
Take on that bigger.
Alright.
Pineapple one.
Pineapple.
Bigger same way, pineapple.
Pineapple again.
Try to get rid of the vegan.
Too spicy.
It wasn't too much, that's not too exotic for me. Avocado patty. That's too exotic. Now it's done.
I know, I'm not saying that.
It's just wrong. Then if you figure from what be oil done. Like even Kingston do the same thing, you know, sir. Like one of the years after Kingston do it, you know. I thought I first just go what year to the other week. I mean like that. But they do different.
Now we tell him say yeah, you cancel it. Not tone and coffee.
That's what we do. Slice cheese in my patty. You're crazy. When you have the original, nothing else not tasty for you. You just want to see what's the hype about if it's actually tasted like back home. Really?
That's the reviews that I've seen.
From what I saw,
As soon as the invoice
they're empty. Yeah, mix it up. Thank you. Listen, you know, I can't wait for you to come back and let it go. Hey, my baby. Chris off. Come to extra. Listen, Christoph name too long for me call it, so I say Chris too. It's Chris 1 and 2, so now listen up. If me look for you, it's that Chris. Okay. No, guys. Christoph, me call what it's trying. I love this color. I don't color me the one me carry now. And I never have none. No, I don't cut. What do you mean? The color? We love the color, man. But I want a special color, not everything coming nice, you know. We love it, man. Oh, look on it, oh God. Look on it to the you see in front of it. No, sir. The flat make your vehicle look all. Tell me come on, taste the spinach. $5? I'm gonna say they already own my picture them. To call it quits.
Good no, miss.
Here.
That's perfect.
Alright, Keneisha, Miss Sweet, that's everything, Miss Sweet, spicy.
Yeah,
Spicy.
that's a piece of pizza. That's a pizza. That's a packet of pizza. Okay, so up, man. Alright, guys, we're gonna try the cheese patty.
You sure you took out the right patty, Virgin?
Oh. You know, man?
Some of the cheese, them.
Yeah, in there.
You want to sit, Marcus?
Nah, man.
Brother, you mark cheese beside me, look.
Miss Sweet.
Hold on, babe.
Yeah, that one.
The crust tastes. Nah, spicy this.
Then put plus cheese.
The crust tastes juicy, fish.
So one cheese, tell us there's something wrong, you know. One cheese is someone I get any harder too.
Oh God.
Tell you, you know.
I first cheese this.
Tell you.
Cheese this.
What is?
Eat that
I
spice.
saw this part.
Eat that spice.
Sorry, Christoph.
Maybe one.
Is that cheese?
Thank everybody the orange.
I take a minute for patty. But it actually tastes nice.
I tell you straight not wrong. It's so warm.
Now this is spinach. Then crust is crusting, I like that.
Sorry about that, no.
The crust of this tastes like fried dough.
Hello?
You can go on, but...
No, but don't say you're going to see on a yard, so.
The spinach one, it tastes like when a fried dumpling. I say crust taste.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm going to
So this is actually their cheese patty. After they open up and put cheese in it. It makes no sense to me, but it don't taste bad. It's eatable.
Man, tell your brother.
I'm trying to say can't run.
No,
Thank you, sir.
man, smoke alongside him and bridge passing, man.
When you're hungry, you don't have a good taste, you know.
The crust actually tastes like juicy beef crust.
Big finish, man.
It's not as spicy as Jamaica one though.
Them can't take them.
Yeah. It still tastes better than golden crust, but it doesn't taste like Jamaica. Yeah.
The next day.
Alive Kennedy. We want to thank them for their commitment, compassion, and continuous dedication to their students. And to our families, thank you for your partnership and unwavering support throughout the years. It truly takes a village, and today's celebration is what we all accomplished together. So let's all give each other a round of applause.
Have a wonderful day, and once again, congratulations, class of 2025.
Can you see my laptop boxers? Tristan. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. so sorry. Can you forgive me? No? But I still love you. Forgive me, please. I have these for you. Yeah, what? I have these for you. The TJ here. Huh? What's the TJ?
I have it. Please just wait a minute. I want to go get the balloons.
Oh, you want to get balloons first?
Where's the one?
Congratulations. We're going to get her out of the class now.
You know she could have came, right?
We came late. I'm so sorry. Let me see the certificate. I want to take a picture of the certificate. So, Tristan, try. Want to take a picture with the certificate? Hold the balloon and the certificate. Come on, Princess.
Come here, Tyrus. Come take a picture with the teacher. That's not.
Yeah? Sorry.
Oh, excellent.
Hurry. Tyrus, come on, take a picture. Sorry, guys. Come here.
Yeah, man, you're a fake smile,
Take a
man.
picture with your teacher.
Yeah, it looks like you want to sleep.
Congratulations, the baby.
Yeah, turn it over, man.
Are you done?
Yeah, my man.
Your turn. Congratulations.
How do I?
Ayana, come take a picture with Tristan. Go, Tristan.
Alright. Nice job, Anna.
Both of you guys hold the balloon in the middle.
He's gonna stay.
Where's yours? Where's your certificate?
He's staying. I give my dad.
That's all right. Hold Tristan's one together.
It's a half day, and so obviously it's completely your.
Cover it. Tristan, pull the balloon away from your face.
You can't look at her.
No. Take it again. Take it again.
How are you? Of course. Oh, it was such a pleasure. Are you ready?
Alright, perfect. Thank you. You guys going to the same school, so you're going to see each other again, right?
Oh, you guys go to the same school?
Yeah.
It's a planting. I know it's a planting.
Alright, let's go. Let's go get Tristan. Come on. You have a teacher that you want to take a picture with? Okay. She's in art class, yeah. Excuse me. Sorry.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Alright, we're gonna get Tristan here from her class so we can go. Wanna go? Yeah. Open and go. Just take time to open.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.